Hey, welcome to Online Education Academy ZA. So for today's lesson, I'll be teaching you about top 7 study tips. So number 1, divide your learning program into manageable sections. This will help your brain to focus, right, into sections that you can manage to help your brain to focus. Take short breaks between studying and set reasonable short-term goals. Yeah, so you don't want to learn everything at the same time. So I've tried that, it doesn't work. Like, you must learn with a bit of information. Take what your brain can manage and work with that. All right. So have all your materials ready before you begin studying a section. Pencils, pens, highlighters, paper, and a glass of water. And a glass of water is very important. That's the second tip. And then thirdly, so be positive. Like, you must always be positive. The right attitude is good for your mental and emotional health. Alright, we must always be positive. The right attitude is what gets us going. If you have the right attitude, you are motivated, you are positive, you'll keep going. It assists you to remember what you have studied. Right? These are good tips. Number 4, your brain learns well with colors and pictures. Try to use them whenever you can. Keep a pencil handy to make notes on this guide. Highlight important information. So you highlight important information. Repetition is the key to remembering. Like, you have to repeat things over and over again so that you keep them in your mind. Because our brain works with repetition. The more you repeat something, it's the more your brain gets used to that thing. So your repetition is the key to remembering information you have to learn. Keep going over the work until you can recall it with ease. Until it's easy now to recall the work that you have done. Do as many practice exercises as you can. Yes. And then teach what you are learning to anyone who will listen. It is definitely worth reading your revision notes aloud. Then sleep for at least 8 hours every night. Enough rest is important. So eat healthy food and drink plenty of water if it's available. These are all important things you need to do for your brain. Studying for exams is like exercise. So you must be prepared physically as well as mentally. So these are your top 7 study tips. These are study tips that will surely work for you. Apply them in your work, study, then you'll change your life like that. So thank you very much for your time. Please don't forget to subscribe on Online Education Academy ZA for more learning content.